Welcome, I'm Tom Galanza-Baker. I'm the founder of Total Motion Release. And I want to give you something very simple that you can use for yourself as a physical therapist, or you can send out to your doctors and let them know about this because they get a lot of people coming in with a positive straight leg raise. So it's real simple to do. What we're going to look for in Total Motion Release, let's say, is we're going to look for motions that don't work, and then we're going to look for motions that do work. And as long as we have a yucky and a yummy, if you will, a good side or a bad side and a good side, we're going to treat to the good side and see what happens. So you have people come in that have a positive straight leg raise. So maybe they do one leg, oh, it's perfect, it's great, and it feels good, it doesn't bug their back. They go to the other one, and it lights up their back. So what do you need to do? All you need to do is take the good side and do reps of, let's say, whatever they can do. So 12 to 20, even if it's only 8, depending upon the age of the individual. Just do it, 2 sets, right? I like to turn in the back of the chair. I don't like to have anything behind me, and I'm going to go ahead and just show you it working. Or I'm going to show you how to do it. These are the instructions to do. When you get done, you should notice they say, man, my back feels a lot better. And when they go to lift this, it's a whole bunch higher. Now, sometimes people actually, both of them hurt, so you can do a bent knee, tell them to lift that one up, tell them to lift this one up, right? Maybe now this is the bad side, this is the good side, they don't have any pain or back stuff going on, and they can lift this one up. With it bent, do a bunch of those, and all of a sudden this one gets better, the back feels better, and they're good to go. Now, the one thing that you need to know here, if both sides are yucky, this is not the motion that is going to fix them. So, let's have a look at this working on somebody, and I think you'll be pretty delighted with it. And again, then go try it on your patients that come in that have a positive straight leg raise. And I also meant to say, look, watch the video, I think it's to the side or below, that shows you this working, and then click on Learn More. There is so much I can tell you about treating to the good side versus the bad side. I've got a lot of theory on you if you push that button, and a lot of other videos explaining how this works and other things that you can do. So hope to see you on the inside.